What's everyone's least favorite, favorite season of the year? Winter, of course. Let's see if we can package it up and send it far, far away from here. Like really far away from here. The first thing that makes me think of winter is snow. So let's see if we can scoop some in here. Or, you know what? Let's just make our own snow. Don't know how this works. I'm serious, this thing is like crusted shut. Wait, rewind, pretend it's a sneak transition. Is there like an on button? Huh? Can someone Google this for me? How do I turn this on? Okay, so I just found this fish fillet in the freezer. It's been in there a long time, frozen over. You know what that's called? Free snow. So apparently it was the outlet. It wasn't the machine, it was the outlet. Try it again. The next thing that reminds me of winter is potholes. But I haven't been able to actually find any. A piece from the pothole going in. The next thing I think of for winter is ugly sweaters. Not that this sweater's ugly. Is it? Ooh, fluff ball shoulder pads. I don't think I'd wear this. And the last thing that makes me think of winter is getting sick. Alright, ready to ship this off! Is this literally winter? Did I do it? Let me know below. What would you put in your package? I actually got snow on the lens. Whoopsie!